Unfortunately, some people just don't wear their hearing aids enough to adjust. They likely will not sound natural at first, so you have to wear them every day, whether you're home alone or having a conversation in a noisy restaurant. Our brains need time to adjust to all the new sounds. The more consistent you are at wearing hearing aids, the better success you'll have adjusting to them. Commit to wearing the hearing aids throughout your day. Hearing aids are an investment in time and money, so proper care and maintenance is essential. Hearing aids include a warranty for any repair issues or any loss and damage claims. Make sure to ask your provider to discuss warranty coverage details. You want to report any hearing aid problems as soon as possible, especially if your hearing aid is lost, so that it can be replaced before the warranty coverage expires. It is recommended to have a hearing aid check and cleaning every 6 months at the clinic that provided them. That way they can be thoroughly cleaned and have any needed parts replaced. Hearing aid clinics have special cleaning tools and equipment to make sure the hearing aid is working as designed. You might also want an occasional sound adjustment, especially for new hearing aid users. If you suspect any changes in hearing, request an evaluation by your provider. Having a new hearing exam at least once a year is recommended. Most hearing aid batteries need to be replaced about once a week for sizes 3, 12, and 13. The smaller size 10 batteries might need replacement every 4 to 5 days. Size 675 is the largest and may last longer than a week. Some people put the sticker tab from the back of the battery on a calendar each time they replace their batteries to help estimate average battery life. Replacing batteries on the same day each week is usually a good rule to follow so that the hearing aids are always working. If you're not sure when to replace them, the hearing aid should also play a warning sound when the batteries need to be changed. Every night after removing the hearing aids, make sure to open the battery doors. This is the only way to shut them off. Hearing aid battery life will suffer and the hearing aids will probably whistle inside the case all night if you don't do this. Opening up the battery doors at night will also save money on new batteries. The only exception to this is for users of rechargeable hearing aids. If the hearing aids recharge, you might not have a battery door at all and should just place the hearing aids inside the case to charge at night. Once they're in the case, they will automatically turn off. Brush off the hearing aids every day. It's very important to brush off any earwax that builds up inside the earpiece. This is where sound comes out, so excessive earwax can plug it up and block the sound. It can be easier to brush off hearing aids first thing in the morning since earwax is more likely to be dry and not stick to the hearing aid. If there's a hearing aid wax guard on the earpiece, make sure to change it about once a month. You might need to do this more often depending on how much earwax is produced. If you find that brushing doesn't remove all of the earwax, and if the sound quality is poor, it's probably time to replace the wax guard. Hearing aids can tolerate daily exposure to sweat, however, don't forget to remove them if you're taking a shower or getting into water. Wipe the hearing aids off with a dry cloth to remove any dirt or sweat that builds up throughout the day. This helps prevent clogged microphones, which will make the hearing aid sound weak or dead.